before, guys, with the spices. Stay tuned with... Where is my knife? Today, I want to reveal the secret of restaurant French fries. We need big potatoes that we peel. If you want the potato slices to be the same size, it's better to cut the potato in 6 directions to get a smooth surface. The diameter of the slices is 1 centimeter. To remove the stickiness and for crispiness, make a solution of water and salt and put the potatoes in it for 30 minutes. Dry them completely. Start the primary cook of the potatoes in hot oil for 4 minutes. Consider that in this step, the potatoes are just cooked and no crispiness is obtained. Put it on a grater to remove excess oil. Remove the oil from the potatoes with the napkin completely and let them rest for 20 minutes. This step is very important. Add white vinegar and cornstarch to the potatoes and stir slowly. These two ingredients make the potatoes extremely crispy and crunchy. Put it in the zipper bag and take the air inside it with a straw and put it in the freezer. It's better to keep it in the freezer for at least a day and then use it. It can be used for up to 4 months. This is my gift to you, restaurant French fries spice. Mix garlic powder, red pepper, onion powder, oregano, paprika, and dry parsley together. The secret is this cheese powder. Now fry the potatoes in hot oil for the second time for 3 minutes. From now on, you can make restaurant French fries in the best and tastiest way, with the fifth of the price.
It's so tasty.